Hello, in today's session we are going to create an NVIDIA account and generate an API key. So for the step 1, open any browser on your system laptop. Example Chrome, type developer.nvidia on Google and press enter. Now click on the first link, NVIDIA Developer, and now in step 2, accept all cookies and click on join. Then type in the email that you want to use and then click on next button. After that, you need to create a password. Re-enter your password. Then click on I am a human and solve the puzzle. So you need to choose the right puzzle. And finally verify it and click on create account. So a 6-digit code will appear into your registered email. Type that code and click on continue. After that, click on yes for recommendation settings and then click on submit button. So in the next step, you have to fill your details like your first name, last name, industry type, job role, type of university or organization, or any other your official email ID. And the organization URL is optional. The language you can select English, India, then finally continue. Next, your area of interest, you have to click on the options that best suits to you. So we are selecting Agentic AI, Generative AI, then click on complete profile. Now click on new tab and then type build NVIDIA. And again click on that first link and log in using through your registered email ID. And click on next. Now we have to create a NVIDIA cloud account. Enter your unique name, verify it using a phone number, You have to type your state accordingly, the country you are, and click on send code to my phone. So again you have to match the captcha. Match the captcha and verify it. Then you might have received the OTP. Then click and verify the OTP. So again, if captcha appears, you have to match the captcha and verify it. So once you have verified, on top you can see models. Click on models and you can see a list of models. So these are the different open source models available. Now on top right, click on profile bubble and select API keys and click on generate API key, and you have to give a name to the key and click on generate key. So copy the generated API key, and save it somewhere in the safe place, and now you are ready to use that key. Now copy the generated key somewhere in the safe place like in Notepad, and you are ready to use this key for any of the Agentic AI project which we are going to use.